A little video on how to convert a older Atlas car. This one had trucks on it, had Rapido, and then it was converted to a dummy knuckle coupler. So I'm going to change it over to microtrains, get a newer truck and working coupler. First thing you need to do is to grab a standard screwdriver. And what you'll do is get your screwdriver between the truck and the floor. Do a little twisting, wiggle it in and prine until you pop the old truck out of there. Now before you put the microtrains truck on, they give you 2 frets. This one here is a double. And what you want to do is to test, find out which pin fits. Now this one is too loose. So go over here. Check that pin is going to fit. You don't want to press it in now, but just test, make sure it'll stay. So once you get your pin, go ahead and break it off. And you'll want to balance that on your finger. And then take your microtrain truck and place it over the pin, so the pin is coming up through the center. Now this finger here, I'm going to keep it to hold the pin so I can turn it. And then while holding that together, locate the hole on the car. Give that just a light little push in to hold it. And then this next part, I've got a Phillips screwdriver. Microtrains have a little depression in the center of the kingpin. So put your Phillips inside of that. Just give that a nice little press down to seat it. So now you have a new truck with working knuckle couplers. So had a $2.50 fine. Wasn't such a bad deal, and then you add knuckle couplers and you have a older car that now runs just as good as new.